Eli, what is today? Do you know what today is?
My birthday.
Yeah. It's your birthday. How old are you?
4.
4?
Mine.
Oh. And you woke up and saw these balloons?
Yeah.
How'd that happen?
Daddy.
You're funny.
Okay, Eli, look at the camera and say, "It's my birthday today."
It's my birthday today.
Now, are you excited?
I'm excited.
When are we going to give you a present?
Batman.
It's not the question.
Bug.
Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Jojo, say bye. Alrighty.